Hello friends, today we are cooking Bengali style chicken curry with gravy or murgir mangsher jhol. We have fried the potatoes. Now we add some spices and the chopped onions and tomatoes and fry it together. Chicken goes in, some ginger garlic paste and we mix it well. Some salt and some sugar, cumin and coriander powder and red chili powder are added and we mix it well. Some water is added, red and green chilies and the fried potatoes go in. Now we cook it at medium heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Garam masala is added and is stirred well. Now it is ready to be served with hot steamed rice.